beautiful late afternoon here in New York City as we get set for Game 2 of 3 tonight on the opening night of the 2024 Big East Tournament.
Togetherness on both sides of the ball is what we need to extend our season for as long as we can. That's the focus, that's the mindset. All right, let's go.
And we're underway. At the guard position, good use of the floor. Aaron, that's his game. Good luck. Doro, yes, and a foul. He just knows where to go. Gaines right where he wants it. That's right where Gaines wants it. Look at traffic fine. Yeah, it just makes plays. Triple D man finds Gaines yet again.
We got a guy right here.
Shoot it. I thought he should have dunked it. Carter! On the two mainstays. Great look to Doro. Great look. And that's just two guys that know how to play. Bro, on the fielder. Carter in the passes into the night. Woo! Sent it in. 2-2.
The first game is the toughest game. We got it under our belts. We got a chance to play on this court. Again, the biggest thing right now is our recovery. Great job, proud of you guys. Bring it up.